Good morning, Vietnam. My signal is not the best today. My internet signal, that is. However, the weather's fine, so I don't know what's going on with it. All I know is it's a bit shit, and I'm with Talk. I'm in Wales. We live in caves. So unfortunately, that's what it is. Right, welcome, guys. I just want to go over quickly before we go into a top down yesterday's trade. So we had Nats trade on and we had a gold trade on, okay, when we left the stream. So I just want to, for all transparency purposes, I want to let you know what happened with them basically. So firstly, we had Nas set up, yeah, which was wingback sells around here. Okay, we got activate. We had two positions on this. Okay, we didn't get down to our take partial move to break even, and then we had a gold, a sell stop underneath the 1 hour. And my get out of this is if I was going to delete if the 1 hour closed above. It didn't. The 1 hour closed respected. Okay, so we kept this on. Then the 1 hour flipped and came all the way through to our TP, full TP straight away. And on that, so this is MT4 from yesterday. Sorry, MT5 from yesterday. These are just two break-even trades. So that is the gold trade from yesterday. This one here, I can probably show you, to be fair. This is off an instant funded account, guys. I know it says demo, but this is an instant funded account. Happy to send you any details on the account and show you that it's a full instant funded account. But yes, this is an instant funded account. We're currently up nearly 2k on this account. But yesterday's trades, so these were two break-even ones getting took out. This was the gold one, as you can see. Gold, the date, the time's on there, but yeah, do you need to see the time? Probably not. And this was the NAS one, so I actually closed out on the NAS. I closed out about 25 past 1 because news was coming at 1/2 Okay, so because gold had hit full TP, I just closed down NAS straight away. And a good thing I did, because if we move that back, because NAS, as soon as news came out, just pushed, smashed through stops. Okay, so good thing we closed out. And what we took that day, we were up $155 from yesterday, so not a bad day. I've put these on the logbook. Logbook is currently both trades have been on. There's the NAS one there, which was like minus 37, and it was technically a break even, to be honest with you, but I'll put it on there anyway. And then there's the gold one. Okay, happy with that. Everyone confident, ready to go. Just a quick glance on stats so far. So we're on 100% monthly win rate. So imagine being profitable every month. Imagine the power and belief it puts in you. Yeah. Yes, we've took losses, but are we profitable every month? Well, currently, yes, we are. Up 1% in September, up over 3% in October, November 0.5%, so our worst month so far, but still profitable. And then December up nearly 4%. Now, and I say this every stream, realistic profits are between 1 and 3%, but every month that puts you in the top 1% of traders. Okay, so these are fantastic. To hit 4% on account is really good. Okay, really good. So yeah, and we've still got today. Today's my last day, unfortunately, because Christmas. As you can tell, I've got my Christmas jumper on, I've got my Christmas pants on, Christmas socks on. I'm right in the spirit. Okay, so, and then when we come back in January, I will have upgraded this account. Let's get rid of everything. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis. I wish I could play Christmas songs for these guys. I don't know if I can. Or can I? Did it let me? No. Non-copyright Christmas songs, Christmas playlist. Ooh. I might be able to hear. Christmas playlist, non-copyright. put it through the sorry. I don't know what the hell this is.
Where beyond the sea.
Is that you, Dan? How are you doing, mate? Honestly, you were that good. I thought it was coming out the Spotify.
Out the speakers.
Yeah, I thought, bloody hell, this is a good song. That's not going to work, guys. I'll try and find some better tunes because these are fucking shite.
How are you this morning, Pete?
I'm good, mate. How are you? I know you'll be probably a bit pissed off from that trade yesterday. I hear you. I hear you.
Yeah.
Let me get rid of this. Yeah, because news was coming out, it's like, and gold had hit TP, I just thought, you know what, just get rid of it. I've literally, if you just, oh no, you're not on thingy, are you? So I'll show you my, you don't even see that. Well, on YouTube, I've just shown my MT5.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll show you here. So, bit of a nightmare for yourself, but this was yesterday's taken. So these two were like 2 break-evens close because I put the wrong lot size in. There's the gold trade, $200, and then there's the NAS where I closed out before news. So we were up $155 yesterday, but yeah, it's just one of them. But don't worry, Dan, we're going to catch an absolute corker today.
It speaks volumes of where I'm at the minute.
Yeah.
Because it's whatever I'm doing subconsciously in my head, which is affecting us perform how I know I can perform trading. It's the same thing that makes us move to break even just a little bit too quick, lose one trade by getting stopped out before it drops and tanks to TP, and then making the same decision not to just close out for a loss on NAS because it could possibly tank down instead of tanking up. So it's just where I'm at. It's just where I'm at.
You're having a fight with the fear at the minute, aren't you?
I think so.
You are. You're having a fight with the fear.
I said this to my mother. I said, you know, like, I'm under no pressure, not from FTMO to pass it within a certain time frame. Nobody.
Yeah.
Quickly. I have to be doing it to myself, even though I know I'm not like outwardly pressuring myself. Yeah. But somewhere in the back of my mind, I have to be applying pressure to myself. Yeah. Whether it's because this year I've been in a relationship, and as I mentioned, like, I'm watching me savings dwindle because I'm spending more than I'm bringing in working. Whether or not that's subconsciously in the back of my head is saying, right, well, this is your next source of where you want to generate money from. Yeah. Get it sorted now, and whatever it is throwing us off. It's definitely me. I know that. I just need to figure out what it is that's doing it, and the only way I'm going to do that is by continually trading and staying what you are. What?
And this is the thing with Forex, right? And this is why, like, these so-called these so-called Forex gurus on YouTube, like me, like myself, if you like, right? There's only so far we can take you because we're not ahead. You have to master your head. Do you know what I mean? All we can do, and this is what I always say, I only talk what's happened to me. I only say what's happened to me and how I got through it. That's all I can do. But that might not be the right answer for you because you're a different person, different personality. This is the thing with Forex, like you've really got to have that battle in your head. But what you're doing, what I will say is you are asking all the right questions. So you are questioning yourself and go, right, what's wrong? Okay, I think it's this. Okay, if I think it's this, how then do I get over it? And you are looking at a plan to get over it, and that's all it is. It's like running, and you've got hurdles. You've got to jump over the hurdle. You'll have another hurdle. I'll have another hurdle. What I'll have to get over. But if you just keep getting over them, the hurdles get lower and lower and lower, and before you know it, you're just stepping over them. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, you're definitely on the right track, mate. This is just you're gonna have to climb over this hurdle, and I think what you're struggling with is fear. You're scared to put trades on now because you don't want to lose that account. You've come so far with the phase 1. You're on phase 2. You're in drawdown minus, which is normal. Which I keep saying to you, it's normal, right? You keep looking at your balance, thinking it's going to change every morning. Was I wrong? Am I in profit and not?
Oh no, hang on, mate. 4%. Oh, no.
So what you need to do is forget your balance and just zone in on a trade a day. That's it. One trade a day. Yeah. Don't worry about your balance, right? We've got to just take the trade. We've got to let it breathe. We've got to act upon what we see. That gold one there? I don't know why you went break it. I know. I did actually have a mark. What said? I did say when it breaks the lows, you can go risk free, didn't I? Is that what you done? Yeah. See, I just left it.
I think it was just because, like, we knew news was coming.
Yeah, I get you.
It wasn't on the stream anymore. It was just like, these are points to go to break even, and you think I've just.
Yeah. To be honest, if I was on the chart, I probably would have done the same.
Just left it or put it like a couple of pips high. It literally touched me break even and then dropped. So, and I think I was looking at 5-minute candles.
Yeah.
So at that, literally, it was just the next 5-minute candle, just straight up in. I was out. I was just okay.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But I think if I was on the stream, I would have done exactly the same. But I didn't watch it, mate. I set me late at full TP.
Yeah.
So if that little decision, if I was on, I would have been stopped out of break even as well. I probably still would have got out the NAS because it just wasn't shifting for me.
Yeah.
And then with news, I was just a bit.
Did I even message you just to say, like, I can see NAS hitting SL now? And I still just left it. It's just like, oh no.
Yeah.
So quick as well. So quick.
But we go back to this question because we've got to learn from this, right? And the thing is, the more pain you're willing to take with Forex, the quicker you get there. It's simple as that. If you try to hide from these mistakes and this pain, what you're going to get, you won't get there. You just got to, okay, it's coming now. That one's done. I'm over that one. Ticking the box. Done. So you're definitely there, mate. We just got to keep taking a trade every day, and you know what it's like, mate. You know one trade can completely change that one account.
Exactly.
Do you know what I mean?
Exactly.
So it's the way I look at it is you're going along. You're going along this journey, and
$2,000.
You have to take losses. Say, let's say we have to take losses. Imagine you coming into Forex and someone said, right, you're going to start Forex trading, not a problem, but you have to take losses. So how do you want to take them, and when do you want to take them, right? So just have that in your head. Well, you have to take losses. So when you take them, as long as we're trying to minimize the loss as much as we possibly can, whether it's control loss, or we've closed out our self, or what, or we've pulled our stops closer because candles are printed, then you get through the loss patches, you know good times are coming back around. So, and it just swings like that. You know, you go through bad times and then good times, bad times and good times. What we need to do is maximize the good times and minimize the bad times.
Yes.
That's all it is. That's all it is. All right, so let's grab a $2,000 trade today.
2 grand trade.
2 grand trade today. So
Yeah, okay.
let's do a full top down on gold and NAS, and if we've got nothing there, we'll jump on to EU as well. So gold monthlies still very bullish. Monthly can do anything, doesn't give us much information, so we'll skip the monthly, go straight down to the weekly. Now we know the weekly had broke out. Yeah, we know the weekly had broke out to the upside, or to upside if you're from Yorkshire, right? So the weekly had broke out, then retested this zone, and then I flipped back to the upside. Okay, the issue we've got now is where's the next range on the weekly? We haven't really got one. We've got ranges on lower time frame, which is here, but we haven't got a weekly target to hit. Okay, so that doesn't really help us much. If we can get a fake out back in, that would be really nice for us for next week, because next week would be fairly straightforward. Top way and then a flip to come down, because you're coming to break these lows at that point, and which is what we want. What we don't want is price to push all-time highs, because it makes it a lot more difficult for us to trade this pair, because we got previous data. So hopefully we can get that, but currently this weekly can do anything. In order for this weekly to flip and fake out, we would need a daily. Oh, what's going on with it? My camera has.
So your mic just stopped as well again.
Has it?
Yeah.
Well,
Back on now. We'll just do it for a few seconds and then.
Do you know what it is, mate? I don't know what's going on. I reset my computer this morning, and my hub this morning.
Yeah.
Since that storm we had not that long ago, the internet is. I haven't seen more than 2 bars on my little Wi-Fi symbol. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's just wired. It's just Wi-Fi in the house. Might have to get a hard wired, you know. Can you hear me?
I can now, yeah.
Keep cutting off.
Pain
Pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Pain in the ass. The weekly can go anywhere at the moment. Daily.